Is your Bosch alarm beeping? Well, it's trying to tell you something. But what? I'm going to show you how to stop it beeping and then find out what it needs through fault analysis mode. Depending on your keypad, you'll notice there is a flashing triangle with an exclamation mark in it. If it's 3 in the morning, you can just hit hash on your keypad and the triangle will stop flashing, and best of all, it will stop beeping. Now to find out why it's beeping. If you hold your finger on 5 for 2 to 3 seconds, the system will go into fault analysis mode. If you have a text or touchscreen keypad, the fault will come up in plain English. But on an LCD keypad, you'll see 2 little people flashing and you'll notice a number coming up on the screen. Now, depending on your model, this can mean different things, so it's important to use the right user guide for your particular model. This is a solution 3000, and a 6 means a communication fault of some sort. And if we press 6 again briefly, a 3 will come up, which means IP module 1 tamper. On the text keypad, there it is in English. Jump onto our website for more information on how to fix your particular fault or for a copy of the fault analysis table for your model. Press hash once more and the keypad returns to normal. Once the fault is fixed, the fault light will turn off automatically. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, leave your comments below and like and subscribe to our channel. Also, catch us on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to visit our website where you can find all the equipment we've spoken about today at www.jeepalarmparts.com.au. See you next time.